and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week we are going to be making mince pies. What you will need: 12 ounces of plain flour, 8 ounces of butter, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar and a jar of mincemeat. You're then going to want to preheat your oven to the degrees shown on the screen and grease your tray. First thing you want to do is sieve your flour into a bowl. Now add in the butter and rub it through your fingers until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. You're going to use a yolk of 1 egg and then add it into the bowl with sugar and a very little water and mix this together until it becomes a smooth dough. Knead your dough on a floured surface, then roll out. When rolling your dough, make sure it's not too thick and not too thin. Now cut out your bases using a large cutter and a medium cutter for the lids. Place your bases into the tray and push them down gently. Now add your mincemeat, but not too much, otherwise your lids won't fit on top. Now place your lids on top and push down on them gently round the edges so that none of the mincemeat can escape. Now crack an egg into a bowl and beat it, and use this to brush over the top of your mince pies. This will give them a lovely golden brown colour. Then grab a fork and poke a few holes in the top so that the mince pies can breathe and your mincemeat doesn't overflow. Thank you for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and join me again next week for our last Preparing for Christmas with Baking by Leah. I'm going to be making my dad's Bailey's dessert.